Evaluate limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, x cube plus y cube. So step 1 is keeping x constant. We will find limit y tends to 0. So here keeping x constant, that means x cube plus 0. So final answer is x cube. And then we will apply limit x tends to 0, means x value 0. Let it be f1. Step 2, keeping y constant, we will apply limit x tends to 0 first. So 0 plus y cube. So limit y tends to 0, y cube we will get. And again, if we apply limit y tends to 0, we will get 0. Let it be f2. f1 and f2 are equal. That means we should go with the third step, which is put y is equal to mx. So our question will become limit x tends to 0 and we are substituting y is equal to mx. So x cube plus m cube x cube. Okay, and x tends to 0, from question we will take this. So x cube common 1 plus m cube. If substitute x value 0, we will get 0. So let it be f3. So what we got, f1 equal to f2 equal to f3. That means we will go with this step 4. Here we will substitute y is equal to mx square. So our question will become limit x tends to 0, because y will become x form of question. Okay, so x cube plus y cube means mx square cube. So x cube plus m cube x power 6. So directly if you substitute x value 0, you will get 0 plus 0. Final answer is 0. Let it be f4. So f1, f2, f3 and f4 all are equal. So therefore limit exists and that limit is equal to these values. So limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, x cube plus y cube is equal to 0.